Hello colleagues, and welcome back to day 2 of the NWEA MAP reports training. Yesterday we discussed how to access and preview the various reports available using the MAP Growth Reports feature on the left side of the home page. Today we will discuss and manipulate the newest feature offered by NWEA, the Student Profile. Remember, all the information shared in these tutorials are meant to assist you when planning and creating your student learning objectives for the upcoming school year. So let's get started. From the MAP homepage, you see here in the center there is a quick link to the new student profile. We'll go ahead and click here. It takes us to the student profile, creating the student profile report page. On this page, you'll choose the term rostered that you would like, the school, instructor, class, and student. I've already done that for you here. I've decided to use my own child so that I can maintain the confidentiality of other students at my school. And from this homepage, this student dashboard, you have the two content areas that the student was assessed: mathematics and reading. Here on the mathematics page, it shows you here very quick snippet of what the student's score was and the possible range and how long it took the student to take this assessment and when the student took it. If we scroll down here, the next section gives you some comparisons. It compares the student to the national norms, and this student scored in the 59th percentile. It also shows that this student meets the South Carolina College and Career Ready assessments projected for spring. However, this child, based on this point in time, is not on track for the ACT College Readiness. In the center are the instructional areas. These are the 4 domains that are assessed for MAP mathematics. In these 4 domains, we see that there's one specific area that this student has relative strength, and that's geometry. If we want to drill down, let's choose the lowest scoring domain, which is measurement and data analysis. If we click on this arrow, it will take us into the specific subdomains for measurement and data analysis. On the right-hand side here, you can view learning statements if you want to reinforce, develop, or introduce. The skills that automatically show up by default are those to develop. So it gives you a list in the subdomains for measurement and data analysis, different skills that you can help this child develop. And it also gives you all of the other domains here on the left as well, in case you'd like to look into those more specifically. If we return to the home page for this student's profile and we continue to scroll down, we see a growth over time graph. This growth over time begins for this student in the fall of 2014 and goes through to the spring of 2017. On the right-hand side is the key that explains the different plots on the graph. This right here, the darkened line, is the RIT score for mathematics. The dotted line is the typical performance for a student at this age and grade. And the line on the bottom with dots and dashes is the district grade level mean. If we were to choose any one of these points on the graph and click, it gives us more detailed information regarding that assessment that was taken at that time. Now back to the top of our student profile homepage, we can choose the reading. It gives us the same information that it did for mathematics, a quick snippet of the information regarding this specific assessment, and also scrolling down, all the information regarding the comparison for the student to national norms. It shows also that the child exceeds the South Carolina College and Career Ready, and that the child is on track for the ACT College Readiness. Again, the center column gives the information for all of the domains that you can drill down and look for additional skill development that's necessary if you want to reinforce, develop, or introduce. And the right side, the growth goals, since this is for the spring score, there are no goals set forth for this student. However, when you use this report in the fall, it will identify specific goals for each student. Again, we scroll down to the graph, and this graph gives you all of the scores. It lists the actual RIT scores for each time the child has taken the assessment. And again, you can choose one of these bullets and drill down and get additional information. So when creating your student learning objective for your students for the upcoming school year, this is an excellent report to refer to because you can get all the individualized information. It shows you that growth over time, and you're able to use the data to help you decide what goals and objectives you would like to set forth for all of your students. I hope this has been helpful to you, and I look forward to day 3, where we look even deeper into the continuum and how to develop specific skills for each student. Thank you.